Hi guys, this is Sylvia at Busy Art, and this is the design for today, and it's this Bible story of Jesus in the temple turning over the tables, and he was very angry. Well, this is how we make it. So I put that one over there for a jiffy, and this is how we make it up. Now this is the background which I've coloured in, cut out, and cut out all these bits. Now I've folded these on the dotted line. I've folded here. Now make sure that you really keep folding it. I thought I'd show you how to fold on the dotted line. If you just get that part on the dotted line and squeeze it together, and then you go up to the other end and fold on the dotted line and just squeeze that bit together, then you can lay it down and it will go line up with all the other dots easily, instead of trying to just try and do it and it doesn't really work. So that's an easy way of doing it, and I've done this one too. Make sure that they fold well, and then this is going to, if you look at the original, this one's going to stick down there, and that's going to stick down there. So I've put some double-sided sticky tape, this one, the thin one, onto here, onto the back of both these. Okay, so that's ready. Now this is the background, and I've cut on the hard line there and folded on the dotted line there. Now this one, just fold it several times just to try and make it flexible, and then when you bring it out, where are we? Yeah, this way. Bring it out, you push the two bottom bits in. It's like a little, if you think of it like a little bird's beak coming out, that will help you to get that working right. So then you've got the triangle bit recess here. So that's that piece, and then I've put a double-sided sticky tape on here, and if I peel that off, I've just put it in the centre. You don't need to put it on the edge because otherwise it will stick to everything. Just put a little dot of it in the centre, and then I've put this down here and lined it up so this little point goes against the fold, so it doesn't, when you fold the thing up, it sits nice and comfortable. That's the little dove. Now I fold it back like that, and you can push it down and see that it works nicely. Okay, so then we'll get this part, Jesus turning over the tables, and I'll line that one up there along the bottom and to the edge there. Now I'll turn this part over and take the double-sided sticky tape off, stick that one down, and for this side I'll do the same. Stick that one down, make sure it's flat there, and then I need to fold somewhere on here to make it flat. So I'll fold it just as I would do a book, closing a book. So that's okay. And then I'll fold this one and do a natural fold like that. And then see the little dovey, and he pops up like that. Ta-da! Just make sure that it doesn't catch. There he is. Your artwork done. And well, I'm sure you've had great fun colouring that in and putting it together. And see you next time. God bless. Enjoy your craft.